Hello, baby Nitro. Hello, baby. Hello, Mami Shanta. Hello, baby. Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back to this one vlog starring Pabibo. Ayan. At saka ang Woolley family. Here's Lola. Lolo.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Alright guys, today, the cyborg Lolo. Today, bisitahan po namin si Lola, yung Lola ko. So, great Lola ni Nitro. Ayan. So, alam nyo, 70 plus na siya. 70 years old na siya. 72 ata siya. 72 years old na siya. Pero nagtatrabaho pa rin. Ayan, dito siya nagtatrabaho. Visitahan namin siya. Baby Nitro. Auntie Hallie's got you, hasn't she? Yes.
Disgusting.
Sorry, you got a mask on, Hallie. Oh, wow. Very nice. Hello, Grandma.
Sweetheart! He's sick, Grandma. Hello, darling. Are you good, little boy? He's gonna cry.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. What's the matter?
Lola, darling.
You don't recognize Lola?
Oh, you haven't seen me for how many days?
This is a stick up. Give it sweet. Etong ginagawa ni Lola, naglalaro lang dito sa mga laruan.
A week?
It's been a week,
Until
yeah.
you see me? It's a week?
Yes,
But he usually sees you at our house.
Yeah.
You're in a different spot.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is he?
He's looking at all the stuff. Oh, this is all the toys Grandma gets to play with every day. Oh, didgeridoo, they got a didgeridoo. Pumutot ka ba? Hi Dwaine fam! Nandito kami ngayon sa park kami ni Hallie at mag-shoot po kami ng travel drone compilation dito. So this year I started using a new editing program called Wondershare Film Me. So mag-shoot po tayo, magpapalipat po tayo ng drone tapos i-edit natin sa bagong program na na-download ko. Tingnan natin. Okay, Hallie, you ready?
Yes.
Uma-aura ka na lang dyan. Alright, yeah, like that. Tapos na yung shoot natin, uwi na po tayo, i-edit ko po to. So, andito na tayo sa bahay, mag-edit na tayo sa mga na-shoot natin sa park. You can start from scratch or you can use a template. So, I'm going to use a travel template now. I put all my footage in there and then I just click export. Parang auto-editing siya, panoorin po natin. Diba? Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda. Okay, auto-editing lang yan. That took me like, what? 20 seconds? Oh, hello baby Nitro. You've come to join us in the vlog, haven't you? Yes, baby. They also have an advanced mode on this, so you can change things like text, you can change the transitions and all that. So this is an all-in-one editing app for vloggers. It's perfect for vloggers. There's no editor like me. Char.
Real tears. Okay, darling.
Hey, it's okay, baby. It's okay.
It's okay.
You think you'd like this place with all the toys you got here? Go,
One of the soft toys
go
down
show
there
him
to
the
look
toys,
at.
Grandma.
Eh?
Go show him some of the toys.
Yeah, I'll get him some soft toys.
Hang on, let's play some sticks. So hang on. Dwaine is expert. Ooh, that sounds pretty good.
mate.
You still got it, mate.
There you go. Tingnan nyo to, ang daming mga libro para sa mga bata. Mga laruan. Ito ang trabaho ni Lola. Dito siya nagtatrabaho 3 days a week.
Look, my mermaid. Ay, may papakita ko sa inyo. Come here.
Oh, now he's okay.
He's laughing
Now he's
at me.
okay.
I know,
You're laughing at
darling.
great Lola. Yeah, huh?
Must have been the way I got up off the chair or something.
Maybe. There you go. You remember great Lola, don't you?
Dwaine, wala to sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
What is it, darling? What a baby.
It's an African baby.
I'll put it in your Christmas present, Shonda.
Well, you don't have like African baby dolls?
No, we only have white baby dolls.
Really? Oh.
There are boys and girls there, you know, Shanta.
Oh, I used to have this doll. And they called it Jenny.
Oh, really?
You had that exact doll.
See, that look like this.
A boy and a girl doll.
Yeah, this one is a girl doll. Oh, get that.
This is Aboriginal done.
Sarap ang trabaho ni Lola, di ba?
Sa
Shanta?
mga laruan.
Yes, nasa mga laruan lang, nagbabantay sa mga laruan, matanggap ng mga tumatawag, gano'n. So, Grandma, what do you do here at your work?
What do I do?
Yeah.
Well, at the moment, I'm getting all the money back that people owe us.
Oh.
I'm sending out statements or nasty letters.
Seals don't do it for me.
Put it in his mouth. He likes the big
Nitro.
one.
Hey,
Big one, Mum. No, see? Mine's the big one, Mum.
you like those toys, don't you? There's some cool toys, hey.
Too big?
You ready, Nitro? Ready?
Alright, you do this. Sit down. Show that. Show that. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it, baby.
Oh, it's a rainmaker. We have those toys in my, you know, when I was working for like kids music and movement.
Oh, yes, yeah.
Yeah, we have those toys, the blocks and like all wooden. Oh, Grandma, you know, I made a project when I was in elementary with this. Like real leaves and then you just...
Okay, sustainability side.
Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Wow, that's good. What's that? It's a rattle. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, 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 shake. Whoa.
Did it come out the other end? No? It didn't?
Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, Nitro's crying.
Oh, you might pass out.
Hallie has a baby. She's gonna take it home.
Yes.
Yeah?
It's so cute.
Oh, yeah.
He's got big lips and an afro.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Did I think it's cute?
Yeah, I think it's cute. When you said the lips, yeah, it's so cute.
Looks like Nitro.
I know, it's so
Joke.
How many hours a day do you have to work, Grandma?
Me, 9 to 5.
Oh,
But
okay.
if I,
mean,
haven't finished my
when you're not
crossword by
sleeping.
9 o'clock, well, I can't see.
But what about the wake hours?
9 to 5.
Okay. Oh, we're not sure we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Say goodbye to Grandma, huh? Say goodbye to Grandma.
I love you. Love you, love you, love you. Yes, I do. Love you, love you, love you. Yes,
Getting
darling.
home.
I hope there's no snot in that nose.
Ayan, masaya sila. From the fam, nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay. Ayan. Ngayon naman, shoutout ko po yung mga Golden Twitter fan na. Ayan. Cheryl Suarez Buo, Conchita Loco, Jolie Inocencio, Da Ramis, Nisi Cho, Pinay for Life, Joanna Avellana, Shane Rainsborg, John Seed, Kiko Arps, Marcel Ruiz Nofke, Merly King's Vlog, Puro Pino Fam, Scotty Fam in Brisbane, Romel Ibanez Vlog, Ozzy and his wife, Leia Garvey, the Ramsey family, Paul T, Mary J. Lee, DXMT, Alien Ashley Sisters, Christina Arsenio Dunsmuir, Natty Bondian, Tosca Acorda, at Jocelyn Natividad. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. 27 na kayo. Galing! Sa katapusan ng vlog na to, ipakita namin sa inyo ang mga certified Twitter fans na pangalan nila. Ayan. Okay guys, so maraming salamat sa panonood and we will see you sa sunod na video ng Nagkwanta. Bye for now.
Once in a lifetime.